On 4-hour chart, gold has been trading in this triangle. Yesterday, gold tried to test this trend line and could not break out. That means it is still in bearish mode. Who sold here would target the low of this moment here. If gold break out this horizontal line and break out, and if any candle close below this line, that will confirm bearish trend. You could take another entry here if market retests this level. This was the 4-hour chart. If we go to 15-minute chart, then we have more clear picture. On 15-minute chart is had made this parallel channel. This parallel channel was the 5 wave movement. After 5 wave, you consider correction, and this was the correction, and gold break out this trend line. If you had not sold here, you have second chance to sold when gold retests this trend line here, and you can take your profit here at the low. If we do some extra work and do more analysis, then we have more clear picture on 15-minute chart pattern. We have 3 chart pattern here: parallel channel, head and shoulder pattern, and trend line breakout here. These all chart pattern are the part of Elliott wave analysis. After the 5 wave, we expect correction, and that correction correct the entire move from 0 to 5, from here to here. If we draw Fibonacci, we will draw from here to here, and market retrace 50% of entire movement. If gold reverse from here and goes up, then it is a buy entry, because correction wave often give false breakout in parallel channel. If gold does not goes down, up or goes down, then you have not sold here at the head of head or shoulder pattern, then you can have one or another sell entry at the retest of this parallel channel here. If we talk about stop loss, your stop loss should be here or here. Stop loss here is more safe. If gold goes down, your first take profit should be here, and the next should be at the low 1864. If gold retests this line and candle close below 23% retracement, that would be considered a bearish trend. If you have not sold yesterday here at the head and 5th wave, then you have another chance to sold here and take profit here. This entire analysis is a part of 4-hour time frame, and this parallel channel was the part of this wave that is not clear on 4-hour chart. This was a multiple time frame strategy, and you can take perfect entry without losing any money. Subscribe this channel for more videos, and if you have any suggestion, don't forget to comment, and join our Telegram channel.